Ho, ho, ho!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Welcome to the Oviedo Chicks 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. Can you believe all this stuff we were given?
This is so exciting.
I know.
So cool.
I wish we could keep it.
I know, but we can't. Our local merchants have been so generous.
They have. Everybody donated something just because they wanted to make sure the people in the area were able to win some great prizes. You can keep it for yourself or you can use them as Christmas gifts.
Yeah, it's kind of like regifting, but not really.
That's a good idea.
So Tracy, why don't you tell everybody how it's going to work?
Okay. What we're going to do is post all of our giveaways up on the website, and then starting on December 12th, we're going to pick one winner each day up until December 24th when all of the gifts have been donated or given away.
That is so cool. But we are going to do one drawing early, right?
Yes, we're going to do, it's the new Narnia movie is coming out, and Regal Cinemas in Oviedo is donating 4 passes to go see Narnia. That's a great one.
It does. I really want to go see that. I saw a preview for it this weekend, actually. It looks incredible.
Now, if you enter, I'll see your name on there, so you can't do that.
I know, we can't win.
Now, this one, we're going to go ahead and donate, or give this one away first because it starts sooner. So this will be like our little kickoff, and then we'll start on December 12th. You want to go over the things we have?
Yeah, let's do that.
This. We have from the Coop Antique Store. Now, this is new in downtown Oviedo, if you're over by the post office. It's right down that alley right there. It's the neatest little store, and they put together a basket. It's got a candle, a vintage spoon keychain, rooster calendar, notepad, mouse pad, grocery list pad for your refrigerator, chocolate rooster lollipops, and a Home Sweet Home washboard decoration. So they've put all of that into a basket for somebody. That's going to be a great gift.
That's fun, and what a great hometown gift that is, too.
It's a great store.
We also have a foursome at Timaquan, so a great round of golf. It's a beautiful course. I've actually golfed there myself as well. And
that's a good one. Enter now, and make sure if you win that, give it to your husband for Christmas.
Brownie points.
Yeah, that'll be great brownie points. Now, this one, I'm not even quite sure how to say this. Agile?
I think it's Aguile.
Aguile. Oh, okay.
My kids have actually done that.
Oh, have they?
They have.
It's rock climbing, and it's in Longwood, and it's 2 free day passes. So the winner of this will get the 2 passes, and they get to go for the entire day.
What a great way to kick off some exercise for New Year's, too. It's.
Oh, I was thinking send the kids and wear them out.
Well,
that would be a good one, too.
We also have tickets to Menopause the Musical.
Show them that.
We have a fun little bag here, and these are so cool.
That
little
is adorable.
koozies. How fun. Of course, you can't take these in with you at the show because, you have to buy your beverages there.
Well, you can take them in and put your beverage in it then.
That's true. But how fun to, sip on your soda or something else.
That would be fun.
At home and feel
Now,
really
that
early.
starts in February, so you get your tickets now, and then that's a great prize. That'll be a fun girls' night out to go to.
It is fun. I've actually seen it before. And
I haven't seen it yet.
It's very funny. I saw it a couple years ago when it was in town.
I'm going to see it this year then. All right, so now the next one we have, it's Equestrian Quest Training Center, and it's passes for 2 people for horseback riding lessons. I know, that'll be a great. There's a lot of kids. Actually, there's a lot of adults now that are really getting into that because the horses, I guess, are such a good stress reliever for people. That would be a nice one. So that's cool. Free riding lessons.
This is one that I would really like to win too, but I know I can't.
Right here.
Wine Styles in Winter Springs donated a lovely gift basket with a bottle of wine, a couple glasses, some snacks.
Look at that.
And they also are including a wine tasting party for 10 people.
So they could invite us if they want.
They could, absolutely. So, who's your friend for, picking your name?
That's right. We do take
random. It's random, but...
And then there's another new store right by the Coop down there, and it's in the Ace Hardware Plaza, and it's called Little Bird, and it's handmade consignment and more, and they donated a $50 gift certificate.
Wow.
So you can go in there and either get from the clothes for the kids, or they've got all kinds of neat things. There's a lot in that plaza now, so this will be a great one before Christmas too.
It's so nice to see Oviedo kind of revitalizing a little bit more.
Especially that area. There used to be a lot of antique down there. Now we just need a little, we have a little restaurant in there.
Yeah,
okay, we need a coffee shop in there.
Yes. Next we have a little surprise giveaway from Kathy Rodriguez with Mary Kay. So she'll help make your holidays even more beautiful with some sparkle for you.
You know, I have to say, when we were in Illinois visiting my parents for Thanksgiving, Kathy showed me this trick, and I guess it's not a trick, but Mary Kay has this like out the door look when you don't want to spend a lot of time on makeup. And you put it on in the morning, it would last all day. We were out walking in the cold, everything, and it never made a mess, anything. I loved that.
That's awesome.
So maybe that'll be the surprise for her.
We don't know, so we'll find out.
All right, now what about this one?
That's your call. I've never heard of that one, but it sounds fun.
Pangea?
Something like that.
It's adventure racing, and it's with bicycles. They take you on mountain bike trails. You can sign up groups. They have races. It's really, and it's right in this area. I had no idea.
So it's real bicycling. It's not like
motorcycle,
virtual bicycling,
no.
Spin class.
No, this is out on hoofing it, and if you don't have bikes, they have bikes you can rent. They have. This is I think he said this is almost a $200 value for this. So if you're a biking enthusiast, you're going to want this one. That's a great one.
Great. That one too.
Well, this is from Susan's Treasure Chest, and I have been getting these for my friends, and she's donated one now for us to give away. It's a clinging cross. You actually did. Well, you actually did the interview when we were there.
Yes, that's right. And I just recently gave one to my goddaughter. She got confirmed, and so that's something that she'll have for the rest of her life.
I have this one, and this is for my son, and I keep it up by my desk, and when I do my devotions and prayers in the morning, you hold it in your hand like this, and you hold it close to your heart, and then you pray over it, and then eventually this will be a gift for my son. And he even likes it now. He likes to know that his mother's praying for him, and that someday when I'm no longer here, but he'll have that, and he'll know that it's filled with all of the prayers that I wanted for him in his life. Yeah, so that's from Susan's Treasure Chest.
Okay, and last but not least,
that's the best one.
Well, we'll see. I actually am donating dinner for 4.
I can't believe that. That's great.
I'll come to your house and make it, or if you want to come to my house, we can work it out. But using some of my Wild Tree products, I will make you dinner, and all you have to do is show up and eat it.
That's fantastic. I love this stuff now. Everything you make is so good.
It's good. It's healthy. It's economical. For instance, one of the things turkey. We just had Thanksgiving.
Oh, that was so good.
There's always leftover turkey. So what do you do with it besides
that soup
turkey
you made?
Sandwiches? Oh yeah, turkey soup is the pumpkin soup.
Yes, that was great.
But I did, instead of chicken Alfredo, I did a turkey Alfredo using our Alfredo mix. And
that's fantastic.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Now, what if people want to get recipes that you're doing? Are you posting them somewhere?
I will be posting them. I cannot post the recipes on my Wild Tree site, but we do have recipes.
So post them on our site, and I'll make a page just for Wild Tree recipes.
Well, there are some recipes, quite a few actually, on the www.mywildtree.com/Tammy site.
Oh, good.
But there's some recipes that that I kind of have made up, like my pumpkin soup. That was not. It's using Wild Tree products, but it was.
I like how you make it. I like how you.
So I'm planning to do additional website that has other cooking things on it too. But we'll use the Chicks website for the time being. That's a good idea.
That'll be good because I love those recipes. Well, good.
Maybe we can do a 12 days of cooking or something too.
Ooh, that would be quick and easy cooking.
Yeah.
Things you can have and just pull out and.
Absolutely.
That would be a great idea.
Yeah.
Now, I did want to thank our sponsors for this month, Central Florida Water Systems. Again, if it wasn't for that's my husband, Paul, if it wasn't for his support, we wouldn't be able to do all of this. And Wild Tree,
he's
too.
Been great. Well, thanks.
Without your help, we wouldn't be able to do this.
Great opportunity, great exposure for me as I'm kicking off this new venture. And it's healthy as we're looking at the new year. Wild Tree products are all natural. There's no preservatives or additives. Many of them are low calorie also. So, you got to start watching what you're putting in your body.
I know. Come January.
Yeah.
I don't think you should diet in December, though. It's too stressful.
Well,
I
don't think you should ever diet. You should eat healthy all the time. So
to enjoy it.
Yes, enjoy life.
Well, you can start entering now. Enter as many times as you want. All of the drawings are random. If there's a specific item that you want, those all listed as prices. If there's a specific item you want, put it in the subject line and we'll set your email aside. But we'll be picking randomly for the gifts. Narnia comes first, and then December 12th, each day after that, you'll have a chance to win.
Yep. And any questions, just send us a note, and we'll be happy to reply.
Well, have a Merry Christmas.
You too, Tracy. Take care, everyone.